Okay, so here I have a Lennox S40 thermostat. So I'm going to demonstrate how to pair this thermostat with your unit, whether central air conditioning, makeup air unit, or HRV, ERV, any unit that you add in, how you can pair it up with this thermostat. So to start with, you just have to locate this logo. It's on the top right hand side, which says Lennox. Okay, so you're going to hold it for a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, so now that you are in here, so the next stage will be just equipment setting. Go into the equipment setting. Okay, so now that you are in there, so the next thing is to say you would like to reset. So the reset button is on the left hand side, so you hit the reset button. Sorry, my finger is a little bit dirty, so it's not able to sense properly. Okay, so now that that is done, so you are now in this menu, so all you need to do is go to reconfigure system. Okay, so you go to reconfigure system. Okay, so here the question is, are you sure you want to reconfigure your HVAC system? You can say yes. So it's gonna, you just wait for a response. So again, you must have an internet to be able to do that. So now you are here, say please select the language for the S40 Smart Thermostat. So here I have English, so I'm just going to continue with English. Okay, so now the next question is if set up through the thermostat or set up through the mobile apps. So I don't want to do it through the mobile apps, I want to do it through the thermostat, so I'm going to say continue. Okay, so now that I have it, it's asking me to put in the dealership. So we already have our dealership information. So this is our phone number with HVAC mechanical system. So I'm just going to say next. So now that we have that, it's asking me to put in which country. So I'll say Canada. So this is Canada, and the time zone, everything is all there. Okay, so kind of I've done it before, so I'm redoing it to show it to you. So I'm going to just say continue. So now that I have this, so these are some items that has been connected before. I have my gas furnace, my zone control, they are all connected. So I don't find my equipment, so I'm going to say continue. Let me go to the next page. So the next page said I have a ventilator type, outdoor, one stage AC. So I already add in my one stage AC unit. You can see it here. So if you want to add anything like humidifier, which is not installed, you can add it. You could add your dehumidifier here. You could add your ventilator here. So if you don't have it, then you can proceed to the next. You might be able to find something you want to add. Okay, so I have another zone 1. You can, if that's something you want to add, or you can add anything you want to add. So you can continue. Okay, so when you get to this point, you are not really having any much to do. This is just showing you the CFM of difference zone, which is not really something you want to touch there, so you can just keep continue. So now I said, do you want to set up the Wi-Fi? So since I'm not the homeowner, so I don't want to set it up, I will say no. So when I say no, so I'm going to click next. So for this, I don't want to change any parameter here, so I'm going to keep continuous going. So I'm going to keep going. And here it says, do I want to perform test? I'm going to look, do I want my unit to come on or go to a dealer? So I just want to go to the dealer service center. So I'm going to just click that. So I think my unit is all hooked up now. So the next thing is to go back to home and see what's going on here. So I'm just going to exit. So now that it's exit, so the next thing is to bring my AC on. Whatever equipment you want to turn on, you could turn on at this point in time. So I want to bring in my AC. I'm going to say so I'm bringing it to 72, go to AC. Okay, so this is my room temperature. So my AC should kick in. So this is how you want to set up your Lennox S40 thermostat. So if you have any question, please put it down below. Thank you.